Somalia's fisheries under threat, the impact of seismic surveys. A recent study has revealed a significant decline in fish populations along the Somali coast. The primary suspect, seismic surveys conducted by the research vessel RVM TA Fisheries. These surveys, which involve the use of powerful air guns to map the seabed for oil and gas, emit intense sound waves that can disrupt marine life. Marine organisms, particularly fish, can be severely affected by these sound waves. They may experience changes in behavior, such as altered migration patterns or feeding habits, or even suffer physical harm. The cumulative effects of these disruptions can lead to a decline in fish populations, with far-reaching consequences for local economies and ecosystems. Somalia's lack of comprehensive environmental regulations, particularly in the offshore oil and gas sector, exacerbates the problem. Without adequate safeguards in place, the impacts of seismic surveys and other industrial activities can go unchecked. While seismic surveys are a likely contributor to the decline in fish populations, it's important to note that other factors, including overfishing, climate change, and pollution, also play a role. To effectively address this issue, a comprehensive scientific assessment is needed to determine the precise extent to which seismic surveys are impacting marine life. Somalia must strike a balance between economic development and environmental protection. By implementing rigorous environmental impact assessments and adopting sustainable practices, the country can minimize the negative consequences of seismic surveys and other industrial activities. Protecting our oceans is not about hindering progress. It's about ensuring that economic growth is achieved in a manner that sustains our marine ecosystems and the communities that depend on them.